Hey y'all, and welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be doing a review, so make sure you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I purchased from Shop Oyemwen on Instagram. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her name correctly or not, but if you guys don't know who she is, she makes the custom tulle robes, overlays, dresses, tutus, shirts, things like that. And a lot of people purchase from her for like maternity pictures, birthdays, special occasions. So yes. So again, I just had a birthday that passed and I wanted to get this tulle robe for a rooftop party that I was supposed to have. Y'all, I ended up canceling it because the dress did not come on time. And I was determined to wear this to the rooftop. So I was like, you know what? My dress didn't come. The party is not happening, okay? But yes, so I made this order on July 10th. I didn't receive my package until September 6th, which was a really, really long time. But on the website, it does say please allow 7 to 28 business days for processing. Excuse me, 14 to 28 business days for processing, which is kind of understandable because these are supposed to be custom pieces. And of course, when you order custom pieces, it's going to take a little while. So, I mean, I really wasn't surprised, but at the same time, I was disappointed because I didn't get any updates for my order. I had to DM her to message her and be like, hey, look, I didn't get any updates. And she did respond quickly, which I'm glad. But I just felt like the communication definitely should have been a little bit better. The color that I originally wanted was like a rose gold. She messaged me and said it's gonna take weeks to receive. Would you like a hot pink instead? And I was like, okay, cool, fine. Even though I was fixated on the rose gold, I'm like, look, it already took a while to receive this robe, so why not? So yes, I'm gonna open the package for you guys, and I'm also gonna try it on for you all, and I'm gonna let you guys know if I feel like the robe was worth the price, worth the wait, or not. We're about to open this package. Like I said, I have yet to see this robe. So yes, we all gonna be surprised, okay? So this is the package that I received in, and I'm actually pretty impressed because this was a priority mail today shipping. So I mean, I guess, you know, that's to make up for the wait. But yes, okay. So I have these nails for a reason. I'm going to just use my nails to open this package. And yeah. And I don't even know. I feel like sometimes I don't even learn my lessons because last time I did this, my nail broke. But yeah. Okay. This is cute. So as you guys can see, the tulle robe comes in this Oyemwen dust bag, and its silk is real cute. And then on the back, it says, make every day a special occasion, and then oyemwen.com, as y'all can see. And this is the pink that I received, and I'm actually pretty happy because, again, this is like my favorite color, so maybe this is a blessing in disguise. And then it also comes with this. Now, I'm not sure what this is, but again, I'm about to open it and see for you all. Okay. So this pretty much is something that will be used for traveling purposes. Okay, this is really pretty. Again, it says Oyemwen and then oyemwen.com. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed because, you know, again, I did pay $265 for this robe, so it is nice that she put a little extra items in the bag. And let me see. She said, Jasmine, enjoy your garment. Can't wait to see it on you. And then I did get a 10% coupon. I felt like it should have been a little more because I had to wait. But you know what? That's okay. Beggars cannot be choosers. I'm truly thankful for any amount of discount that she wanted to give me. So now I'm going to go ahead and open the tulle robe, and I want to see how this looks because I feel like this is going to be bomb. So the tag comes with instructions for washing. Of course, it's dry clean only. If you machine wash it, you must do delicate. Steam iron to remove wrinkles. Steam from shower or tumble dry delicate. And then it says no bleaching, no coloring, or no dyeing. And this is the tag. It says Oyemwen. And then these are the instructions on the back. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove this beauty. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this definitely needs to be hung to get some of the wrinkles out, yeah. I'm gonna have to steam her. Okay, Okay, yeah. So this is the front of the robe. As you guys can tell, this is very delicate. Like, some of the threading is hanging out from it. And yeah, this is the bow that comes attached to it. And I'm gonna go ahead and try this thing on for you all. I think I'm gonna put a black bodycon on under it just so y'all not seeing all my goodness of my mercy. So yeah, I'll be right back and I'm gonna try this beauty on for you all. So far I am definitely impressed by her. Like, it's giving everything that I ever wanted. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so now I have her on, and yes, y'all, I'm a little impressed, but low-key I do have mixed reviews on her. Okay, so this is what she looks like on. Yeah, this is really, really pretty, but I'm kind of mad at myself because I feel like I could have ordered a smaller size. As you guys can see, I have a little bit of room in the waist area, and I have a really small waist. So yeah, but yes, y'all, she is really cute. This is the back of her. Yeah, okay, this is cute. Like, yeah, but okay, I will definitely wear this to a photo shoot. This definitely would have been given at a party. I don't think I would wear a black bodycon under her though. I probably would wear white or even a pink. Yeah, but yes. Yeah, she's really cute. And you can actually unbutton her as well. But you have to be kind of careful because she's very delicate. But yeah, y'all. Give me a little minute because the nails, y'all. The nails. Okay. And this is what she looks like open. As you guys can see, it will probably make more sense to wear her closed because of the bow. But yes, if you want to wear her open, that's your business. And yes, this is her open. This is so cute, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm going to take some little videos and some pictures, and I'm going to insert them below because I'm feeling myself. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely might consider purchasing from her again just because, y'all, like, this is bomb. Like, what? Huh? Like, this is really given. But yes, I want to say thank you again so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.